Do you know anyone who makes money from trading fees, interest on loans, fees from its broker program, spreads, cloud offerings, interchange fees, mining services, and profits from investments? Sounds familiar, right? Yeah, because it is Binance Coin. What? You don't know anything about it? No problem. Carry on watching. So, what is Binance Coin? Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency issued by the Binance Exchange. It is used to trade with the BNB symbol. Initially run on Ethereum blockchain, but has since become the native currency of the Binance chain. Its initial coin offering, ICO, was conducted in July 2017. Almost half of the funds raised during the ICO were allocated for branding and marketing, while the remaining third went towards building the Binance platform and performing necessary upgrades. What is Binance Coin burning? Although the initial supply of 100 million tokens was initially offered, the total supply is now lower. Each quarter, Binance uses a portion of its profits to purchase and permanently destroy other cryptocurrencies in its treasury. Each burning event is performed for a specific amount of BNB. The latest event took place on April 15, 2021. Uses and supports. Since its creation in 2017, it has been used to pay for transactions on a wide range of platforms. It can also be used for various purposes, such as booking travel accommodations, making purchases online, and for entertainment purposes. It can also be used for financial purposes, such as making investments at Moda. One can also use Binance to buy various ICOs that are listed through the Launchpad program. BNB has gained support from various partners, such as Uplive, which is a leading live video streaming platform in Asia. Its other key partners include MasterCard, which provides virtual gifts for BNB users. Binance Coin is also supported by various key components such as the mobile app, the Visa debit card, and the platform. What does conversion to BNB mean? Dust is a term used in the cryptocurrency world. It refers to the tiny amounts of coins and tokens that are often ignored. What is Binance Smart Chain? As of June 24, 2021, the total number of daily transactions processed by the Binance Smart Chain reached almost 3.7 million. This amount is triple the number of transactions that were processed during the same period in 2017. How can Binance Coin be used? Beyond the exchange, the coin can also be used to make various transactions. Some of these include pay for travel arrangements, buy virtual gifts, and process investments. What BNB market is? The BNB market is a place where the BNB is bought and sold. Most of the time, the BNB transactions happen on the secondary market. Has US banned Binance? Although it is not considered a banned entity in the US, it is under investigation by the US Justice Department and IRS. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance takes its legal obligations seriously and engages in a collaborative manner with law enforcement agencies and regulators. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do not hesitate to give us a like and subscribe for more videos.